let's achieve something with this since drawing. You come up here, you pick this, let me pick this. You come up here, you rotate. This is always for rotating. You could adjust based on what you're looking for. You use this. Now you could move down a little. Now let's fill, let me say no fill, no line, I mean to say. Let's use gradient, more gradient. I need to, let me use fented this from the center. This is okay. I use this. Now let me use texture here. I use texture. I like this. Now I want to give it the hand. Now I click here. Now you come up here, you give it this line, you increase the line width. Now you come up here, you say no line. Now you click at this, hold your shift key, click at this. Now you come up here and say bring to font. Now you click this. This could now go, you use your arrow key and move it inside a little. Look at what you have now. You have such a wonderful drawing. Now